As you know, on dating apps, the first impression is largely based on the pictures of a person before you read their profile. Especially when there are tons of options out there, it's so easy to judge the picture heavily and then move on to the next one. It's just human nature. Hello guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name's Crystal. I post videos every week about dating tips and travel. If you enjoyed today's video, feel free to check out my playlist to see more. So in my previous video, I talked about 8 types of guys that you want to avoid to save you some time and to succeed at online dating. For today, I want to summarize 3 things that I hate and 3 things that I love about online dating. I dated online for 2 years, and over that time, I went on at least 50 dates throughout that time frame, from one-timers to month-long relationships. So this is my advice to you based on my experience. If you wonder if dating apps are for you, just keep on watching. So I want to start with my hates. The first thing that I hate about online dating is the appearance shopping. As you know, on dating apps, the first impression is largely based on the pictures of a person before you read their profile. Especially when there are tons of options out there, it's so easy to judge the picture heavily and then move on to the next one. It's just human nature. If you can choose between a great looking guy and a okay looking guy, there's a high chance that the okay looking guy with great quality and personality might not get the attention that he deserves. I hate that it feels superficial because many people, they need more time to feel comfortable, to show their personality and the natural side. For me, the more I dated, I could better tell if this person is good for me or not. For example, I don't really favor guys who show off their muscle at a gym or reveal too much skin. And I don't like guys have too many clubbing photos or drinking photos in their profile. I prefer, more like a daily setting with good lighting when I can see their face clearly and I can tell what he likes to do based on the pictures. So if you are seriously looking for a relationship, be smart about your picture shopping and be more accepting so you can increase your chance to success. And my hate number 2 is the emotional drainage. I know, the biggest pain about online dating is that you try and try so many times and you just cannot find the right match. You feel so drained after a couple of dates and all the time and energy that you spend. But sadly, this is a dating process that almost everyone has to go through. But at least now you know you're not alone. I had dated like this for over 2 years before I met my current boyfriend. So my advice is when you feel defeated, you cannot give up. Don't forget the initial purpose why you are doing this, unless you have a better way to meet people. You should take a break when you need it to recharge and review and pick it up again when you feel ready. Nothing comes easy in life, especially something so big like this. You are going to spend the rest of your life with this one person, so it will take some efforts to find him or her that you are truly compatible with. Moving on to my hate number 3, the patience for repetitions. I'm talking about the same process for every new date, the same questions that you need to ask and be asked, and the same routine to get to know a new person. If you ask for my advice, well, you just need to be patient about this dating protocol. In this smartphone era, we get this false sense that everything is instant gratification. But unfortunately, not for online dating. At the end of the day, a lot of meaningful things still require, perseverance and going through a lot of tedious process to make things happen. Matching is easy, but going on dates over and over again is hard. But remember, people who are worth it is out there. You just need to spend your time to find them. You'll have to wade through all the bad matches to find a good match. Okay, after all the hates, let's talk about some positive things and the good stuff that I love about online dating. So the first thing that I love about dating apps is a flexible platform to enrich your social life. You can't deny that dating apps is a great channel to meet new people outside your social circle or comfort zone. My dates in the back were mostly from different professional fields, so hanging out with them really broadened my horizon. And I heard so many interesting stories and learned learn a lot of new things from them. On top of meeting new people, the second thing that I love about dating app is a time-saving and flexible platform. It saves time for you because time is money for everyone, right? You don't need to get ready and get out trying to meet multiple people. Instead, you can efficiently talk to 5 people at the same time on your phone to roughly filter out a good match for you. And the flexibility to date at your own pace is amazing. You can date one person a day, so that's 7 dates a week. Or you can meet one person a week, and that's 4 dates a month, based on your own preference. Easy, right? And finally, my number 3 that I love about online dating is that I thought I was going to see what's out there or what my dates would be like. But surprisingly, I learned even more about myself through dating. I saw some sides of me that I didn't know before by interacting with different types of people. And from there, I had a better idea about what I like, what I dislike, and what I'm also compatible with. It is a great self-discovery process for me throughout that 2 years, and I'm very grateful about it. Meanwhile, another bonus point about online dating is that my social skills got so much better after so many dates talking to different strangers. I went from feeling a little bit awkward and was afraid of awkward silence to I can go out with any type of people and had a good time, no matter if we will go on a second date or not. So to summarize, the 3 things that I love about online dating is number 1, an open platform to meet new people efficiently. And number 2 is the flexibility to date at your own pace. And number 3 is a self-discovery process while improving your social skills and make you a more confident person. For the downside, you just need to remember the initial purpose when you feel down. Take a break when you need it. And remember, nothing in life comes easy. Before you find the right person who will wake up with you every morning, you need to climb that hills before you find him. I hope everyone is enjoying your dating life and will eventually find the right person. If you want to see more of my dating tips videos, feel free to click my playlist here. And again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye!